In the following video, we will demonstrate how to correctly set the GMT and other functions on a Rolex GMT-Master 2, also called the Batman. Before we get into the specific functions of the watch, we will place the watch in a starting position, which will make it easier for us to follow up and illustrate them. If, as in our example, the GMT hand does not match the time of the hour hand, we must correct this first. To do so, unscrew the crown and move it to the second position, so that the hour hand can be set independently of the minute hand. Next, we will set the date. To do so, we will turn the hour hand over 24 hours. As you can see, the date jumps forward. We will repeat this process until the desired date is set. In this case, the direction in which the crown is turned does not matter. Once the desired date is set, the hour hand must once again be adjusted to match the GMT hand. Note that the GMT hand displays 24 hours, while the hour hand can only define 12 hours. The next step is to move the crown to the third position. To set the correct time, turn the crown until the desired time is set. Now, we will push the crown back to the starting position and screw it tight. In our first example, we will show you how to set the second time zone by using the hour and GMT hand to read home time. Since we have already set the home time in the first part of the video, it is now possible to use the GMT function by adding a second time zone for a journey with a time zone change. This works by reopening the crown and setting the time in the second position to a new time zone. The crown is then screwed tight as usual. Let's take a journey with a 5-hour time shift as an example. After setting the watch to the regional time, the home time can still be read via the GMT hand. In our second example, we will show you how to set a second time zone using the bezel, which is read using the GMT hand. To do this, we return to the starting position of the video. The GMT hand and the hour hand will match again. In comparison to our last example, we can rotate the bezel to adjust it to the desired time in another time zone. In our example, a friend flies on a journey with a 5-hour time difference, while we stay in our home time. To be able to track the time at his destination, we turn the bezel counterclockwise for 5 hours. Now the hour and minute hands continue to show home time, while the GMT hand shows the time of the friend. Thank you for watching our GMT video tutorial. If you need further information, feel free to visit our homepage at www.chronext.com.